Betts Manufacturing is a family-owned company that's been around for over centuries, serving our community and many others. They weld and use various other techniques to make small parts for semi-trucks.
How did you become the vice president?
I became vice president here at Betts Industries about a year and a half ago. I was hired from the outside to come here and lead the operations side of the business.
What does the slogan, "Do what's best," mean for you?
Do what's best to me means that you should do what's best for the customer as well as the employees to make sure that you're taking care of not only the people, the product, but also the customers that we have as well.
How long have you been working at Betts?
I've been at Betts for just under 16 years. I started out as just an operator and have moved up to a CNC technician.
What is the most crucial part of manufacturing that relates to your role?
Making sure machines and tooling are running in their parameters for safety issues. When guys out on the floor are running their machines, they want to be sure that their machines are running safely and they're not going to get hurt.
What does the slogan, "Do what's best," mean to you?
It means to me that we ensure a good, safe product going out the door to protect everybody that is in the area of a tanker.
What is your favorite part of the job?
I just have to say the automation and the new technology and how it applies to manufacturing.
Do different types of steels affect your machine?
Yes, they do. Everything cuts different and reacts different to our operations.
What happens with the waste from machines?
All of our metal chips are recycled and picked up by a local scrap supplier.
What is your position title?
Machine operator in the turning department.
What does your position do?
Take raw parts and machine them to the finished product to get them down to the assembly and put together.